Hi creators, it's C. Booker Hamilton from Bearing My Soul Creations, and I wanted to show you how to use my 30 meditation clip art designs that's available in my Etsy store at BMSC Shop.
So y'all, this is my BMSC shop on Etsy. I also have another store on Etsy called BMSC Designs, which is primarily focused on digital wall art. Now, BMSC Shop has inspirational digital designs for creative black women. I have a digital journal, and hopefully, I'll have others up soon. I have journal covers, some include journal inserts. I have digital greeting card covers, digital paper, stickers, clip art, and multi-use prints. And listen, I try to keep my prices reasonable. As you can see, my meditation clip art is just $4.20. That's less than $5, y'all. Now, some of my designs are for personal use only, so please check the terms of use in the description before purchasing. Now, if you purchase my meditation clip art, you will need a Canva account. If you don't have a Canva account, no worries. Just try Canva for free on me by clicking my Canva affiliate link in the comments. Now, Canva will pay me a small commission if you subscribe to the pro version. Now, after you purchase the meditation clip art, you will receive a PDF with a Canva download link. You will not receive a physical product. After clicking the link, you will get a message stating that a template was shared with you by Christine Hamilton. That's me. It will take you directly into Canva. Now again, after you purchase my meditation clip art from my BMSC shop on Etsy for just $4.20, you will get 30 inspirational images of black women praying and meditating. Now, the first thing you should do is download the files. Go to Share PNG, select Transparent Background, and download. Okay? The reason why we're going to download them is because we're going to upload these files back into Canva. Now, when all your images are uploaded into Canva, you will find that the images will have a transparent background. That means the background will be black, okay? If the image has some type of color background on the back, it's not transparent. So we want all of our images to be transparent so that we can easily create a design in Canva. Now, I suggest that you also make a copy for future use. Okay, so now we are ready to create a design using the meditation clip art from BMSC Shop for just $4.20. Did I say that already? Okay, I'm saying it again. Okay, so we're going to create a design in Canva. Let me tell you something. Canva has all types of design templates, stationery, logos, t-shirts, stickers, postcards, anything you can name. They have it here in Canva. So I am going to create a simple design using the circle sticker template. Okay, so select the Create a Design button in the upper right hand corner and then select Circle Sticker. Okay, next you'll be presented with many design templates in Canva. You'll see the designs with the crown are the pro version designs, and there are many free and pro version designs that you can gain the inspiration from. Okay, I like these templates, but I'm going to use this one here. I like the colors in it. So what I'm going to do is go to those files that we uploaded. Okay, so she's cute. So next I'm going to change the font to something bold. Scroll down, you can see there's many different fonts that you could use. Change the color to black just to give it some emphasis. Okay, next I'm going to group the image with the text. Okay, and the way you do that is select the image, select your shift key, and then select the text. This will allow you to manipulate the file any way you want, size it up, size it down, and get the image to fit your design. So we're going to check our design by going and selecting the circle sticker, and we're just going to look at it. Okay, it could be centered a little bit better. Okay, we can go back and look at it. So this one looks pretty good. Okay, so next we're going to duplicate this design. Okay, and let's see here. She's cute. Okay, so again, we're going to group this so that we can manipulate the file, move it around, get it in the right position. And again, we can check it, see if it's in the right place. Okay. Duplicate the file again and put another image in there. Okay, so the thing is, you can create an entire sticker collection that goes along with your journal if you want to provide stickers with your journal. You can make t-shirts, tote bags. You can make an entire collection just from one file. Okay, again, there are 30 images in this meditation collection. So just want to show you the t-shirts. I'm going to change this to white so you can see how it looks. Nothing on the back. Okay. So just a quick reminder about the terms of use. You have to change the image by using text or graphics. And if you plan on selling the images, it has to be a physical product. You may not sell digital products using the designs. Okay, and you can sell up to 500 products using this collection. Please share your designs. I would love to see what you're making, and also give me some feedback. There's always opportunities for improvement. If you have tips on how to upscale your art in Canva, please leave a comment. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and let's continue to plant our seeds and grow together. Bye.